In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A35, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. First of all, launch Settings and scroll to click on Google. Now select All Services. Scroll again and tap on Autofill with Google over here. Now it's time to select Google Password Manager and click on any password you want to delete. Enter your screen lock, tap on Delete button and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!